Welcome back, everybody. After a very long gap, this is Anupama. I'm a sports nutritionist and I try my best to come up with healthy recipes. So, today I'm going to show you a very easy, quick recipe made out of sweet potatoes. Bajra I have used, which is millets, pearl millets, and it's very simple. Even though I have kept the name as roti, you can have it as a snack. Ingredients you can check it out in the ingredient box or the description box. First thing, we have to soak the pearl millet in water. I kept it for a whole day, so around 6 to 8 hours. Next step is you need to peel the sweet potatoes. Once peeled, you need to grate them. Okay, so I have not boiled it, I'm directly grating it. Once that is done and our sweet potatoes are ready, we'll keep it aside. Now we'll take the soaked pearl millets and I'm going to grind it with very little water, very little. I don't want it to be very runny. Okay, the batter is not at all going to be a batter like we generally make for, say, even dosa or any other thing. It's going to be a very different kind of a batter. So you will just see how I make it. So I'm going to add the onions, very thin and nicely chopped. Kadhi patta, yes, because as I said, I'm a South Indian. I like kadhi patta and everything. So yes, you can add coriander also. Green chili as per your taste. If you like more spicy, you can add more. I'm hoping to give this to my daughter, so I've kept it less. Then just go about and adding all the sweet potato which we have grated and kept. Salt is totally as per your taste. So I've added chili flakes and oregano. I had at home, so I'm just adding a little bit of that also. It adds a zing to it. It is totally optional. Mix everything together. This is how it looks. So it's not at all runny. Now let the pan heat up and with a spoon slowly just press it down. You don't need to get your hands dirty. This is the most simplest way I could find to make these rotis. Just press it down, and because the sweet potatoes we have not boiled or we've not done anything with them, it will take some time to cook. So this is where your patience is tested, because yes, it will take some time, and so be patient with it because we have both the ingredients, bajra as well as sweet potato in it. So let it take its sweet time. Okay, because I am on one meal a day, I do not shy away from my good fats. So I will I generally have my ghees and butters. So I'm going to add around half a tablespoon. I think I've added here. Of course, if you are not, don't add it. Even if you don't add it in a non-stick pan, you can easily get it out. So that is why I've not added it niche. I've just added it on the top of it. And people who are on high fat diet, this is not for them. People who are of course on complex carbs, you can all for sure incorporate a sweet potato in this manner. Generally when we have sweet potato, it has a sweetness to it. A lot of people, they don't like it. So if you're going to incorporate it in this manner, a lot of people in my house, because I did not tell them the ingredient, they could not even guess it. So when I turned this is how it looked like. And this is it. It's all ready to go. So hope you liked this video. Please do share and subscribe, and let me know in comment how it turned out for you. So that's it from my side. Signing off right now till my next video. Bye.